Willy the Sparrow released in 1989. War of the Birds released in 1990. Rock-a-Doodle released in 1991. The Pebble and the Penguins released in 1995. Chicken Run released in 2000. The Trumpet of the Swan released in 2001. Valiant released in 2005. Chicken Little released in 2005. The Ugly Duckling and Me released in 2006. Happy Feet released in 2006. Surfing Up released in 2007. The Aviators released in 2008. Birds of Paradise released in 2010. Legend of the Guardians released in 2010. Bird Idol released in 2010. Rio released in 2011. Daisy released in 2011. Happy Feet 2 released in 2011. The Jungle Bench released in 2011. Adventures in Zambezia released in 2012. Free Birds released in 2013. Hatched released in 2013. Yellow Bird released in 2014. Penguins of Madagascar released in 2014. The Jungle Bunch 2 released in 2014. Weibos released in 2015. Americano released in 2016. Quakerus released in 2016. The Angry Birds movie released in 2016. Surge Ups 2 Webmania released in 2016. Storks released in 2016. Release Little Bird's Big Adventures released in 2016. Birds Like Us released in 2017. The Jungle Bunch released in 2017. Polio released in 2018. Duck Duck Goes released in 2018. The Angry Birds movie released in 2019. Swift released in 2019. Migration released in 2023. Thanks for watching our video. For more videos, subscribe to our channel, like and share this video.